Watch the clearance on that side.
Okay, bring it down slowly now. Check the stress points on this section of the wireframe.
All right, door cycling open. Stand clear of the fuselage.
Okay, keep it coming steady. Copy that, clear on the left side.
Maintain current speed. We are aligned.
Copy that. Watching the gauges now.
How's the clearance looking? Looks good, clear by 50 millimeters.
10 more meters at this speed.
Copy that. Aligning with the markers now.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard wing box.
Steady now. Watch the alignment point. We are clear for descent.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Confirmed. Crane, lower 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, roger. Bring it down slowly. Copy that. Watching the alignment now. Almost there. Hold steady.
All right, easy on the hoist, keep it steady.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Control to ground team, maintain current bearing. Wind looks stable.
Roger that. Control. Moving steady at 2 meters per minute.
Logistics. Confirm positioning near the main structure.
Confirmed. Moving the nose section into position.
The Beluga XL enters its final assembly stages, a true marvel of modern aerospace engineering.
Easy, E. Watch the clearance on the left.
Just a few more inches down. Okay, set it down now.
The assembly of the Beluga XL is a triumph of engineering. As the main fuselage is lifted,
Crane 2, slow descent on my mark.
Roger that. Descending slowly.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Bring it down another 2 feet, very slow. Clear on the left. Roger, lowering now.
Crane moving into position. Watch the clearance.
Roger, looks good from here.
Crane, hold position at Tango 4. We have alignment on the starboard side. Lower 5 centimeters, slow and steady.
All right, easy now. We are clear on the mounting points.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good. Secure it.
Bring it down slowly, we need another 2 meters.
Confirmed. Watching the starboard side clearance.
The front section of the fuselage reveals the internal ribs and stringers, providing essential structural integrity.
All clear on the left side.
Clear on the right. Nose gear is secured.
Roger that, commencing TOW. This component goes here, just above the actuator.
All right, I see it on the diagram. Let's secure it.
Phase 2 structural test commencing. All personnel confirm clear.
The Beluga XL is essential for the future of our assembly lines. We are currently running final diagnostics on the engine array.
Clear left side, keep coming straight.
Watch the wingtip, steady now.
At nearly 64 meters long and a wingspan of 60 meters, the Beluga XL can transport massive loads.
The massive Beluga XL, a cornerstone of Airbus logistics. But for heavy tactical airlift, the A400M Atlas takes over.
Lower the main hoist, steady.
A little to the right, keep coming back.
Okay, easy, easy.
Sets its one-setting drop. This massive conveyor system is specifically designed to handle 8 components.
At this point in the assembly, many delicate components are exposed and need to be protected.
The nose section, designated 100, is carefully maneuvered into place, demonstrating the precision required for final assembly.
As you can see, the pressure readings on sector F are stable, but the synchronization on P is still fluctuating.
The quality metrics on the S-curve are significantly higher than projected.
Good, let's cross-reference that with the factory output data.
Digital blueprints guide the hands-on assembly, ensuring every metallic component fits the precise specifications of the aircraft wing.
Almost there, hold it steady. Okay, seated properly.
Check the alignment tolerance here on section 7.
Looks within spec, but let's double check the torque values before proceeding.
Check the hydraulics on panel 4.
Confirmed. Pressure is stable. Ready for system initialization.
Confirming the hydraulics on auxiliary power.
Checked. Systems are green across the board, ready for engine start.
Roger that. Tail is secured. Initiating system check Alpha 9er.
Stand by for results.
Reading confirmed on the tablet. Sequence 983 is good to go. Over. Commencing kneel. Main gear, lower the fuselage to the stop.
Crew check rear fuselage piston and ramp mechanism controls, preparing for testing. Crew checks the launch partial.
Deploying sequence initiated.
This angle needs adjustment right here. See the red line on the schematic?
Yes, zooming in now. Okay, I see the discrepancy. We'll fix that immediately. Check the tolerances here on the leading edge.
Looks good. We can proceed with the primer.
checklist complete. Roger that. Tower, this is Atlas 6-1, ready for departure.
Approach looks clear, gusting slightly from the west.
Roger. Stabilized approach criteria met.